Today I'm going to change air filter on Toyota Camry 2011 LE. I already purchased filter through Amazon, and in order to do so there is two screws, 10 millimeters, one in front, one in the back. Once you take those screws out, all we need to do is lift it up and take the air filter out. One important thing about these screws is that they do not come out of housing, they stay in the top part once they go out of the bottom part. Okay, I took already other side out. All I need to do is lift this up and take old one out. It is pretty dirty after a little bit over 10,000 miles or maybe 15 months of time, and I'm definitely sure per how it looks that I need to change it. What I found helpful is to put the mileage and a date here, as well as record it somewhere outside, Excel or any booklet in your car, and that will help us to know when we need to change the gear. In order to do so, all you need to do is lift it up, and you cannot make mistake. That's what I want to tell. There is shaped pattern that we need to follow in order to do so. What is important to say here, you will need to have patience and some time to clip these two clips on the back of the filter. And once you do that, all you need to do is just put it down and screw these two screws, 10 millimeter screws in. That is all what it takes. Very simple, but very important. Interval of changing, people like to define, but me personally don't, because it depends on how you drive, where you drive, and your time in between changes may depend on the condition of it. But it's about 15 to 30,000 miles. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Thank you for watching.